we'll guide you through how to sign up for Trello in just a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to Trello's official website at trello.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be presented with options to sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, or by entering your email address. If you choose to use your email, type it in and click Continue. Next, you'll need to create a password that is both secure and memorable. Remember, a good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, click on Sign Up to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email address, so go ahead and check your inbox for a verification email from Trello. If you can't find it, be sure to check your spam or junk folders. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, you can start setting up your Trello profile by adding a username and any other details you'd like to include. Trello might also guide you through a brief tutorial to help you get started with creating boards and organizing your tasks. And that's it, you're all set up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.